Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Corcoran trying not to hover over things. This is my third attempt at walking through IXL here. And every time I point at things, I wind up pulling up student information. So I'm trying not to do that. The reason I'm showing you this is I'm trying to motivate students and families to take the diagnostic test here for both language arts, which would be the main idea, organizing or writing, but also mathematics for number sense, multiplication, and division, among other things. So let's try to get the problems, see how people are taking more students are doing work, 21st, 23rd, and 25th. Students did some work, keep it up. I want to go to the skills to show you these are the different things, the different skills being practiced currently. See how 38% have mastered, a couple students, 17, 21, and notice how the orange keeps getting bigger and bigger. That means fewer and fewer students have done these assessments. So try to log into IXL, go to the diagnostic and take the diagnostic test. Once that's done, I can come in and I'm not going to point directly on it, but here groups 1, 2, and 3, the system automatically groups students with areas of strength and growth. So if you're in a group 1, that tells me I can work with those students in week 7 to target those reading strategies, for example. Vocab has its own focus, right? So it's broken students into 5 groups. So I can work with maybe groups 1 and 2 together, or groups 3 and 4. I can work with them together. Again, these groupings are not going to be permanent. They just help me group students in similar ability needs while I get to know you better. Get to know you and know your academic needs better. Okay, so this is all diagnostic strands for language arts. There's a corresponding one for math. And here we go for number operations, same thing. This is our current focus. For groups, again, I'll combine, it looks like group 2 are those 2 stripes in the middle there. So again, to emphasize the importance of the diagnostic test, once students have done that, I can get really deep into recommendations. So currently for math, the concepts I have emphasized have a star, and as you can see for math, number sense is a big in Unit 1 for math, including writing numbers, place value, rounding is very important. And then down here, addition, I added, no pun intended, I added the concept of adding numbers up to 5 digits. This is important. This is this week. Next week, I will star this concept, subtracting numbers. But first, I just want to focus on this. So not a lot of concepts down here. This will be later in the school year. We're going to get into all these concepts. I know, pretty overwhelming, but it goes by pretty quickly, I think you'll find. All right, so these are the concepts in math. The little star means that's our focus. For language arts, or focus, the areas of focus are key ideas, narrative point of view, sensory details, and these tie into a writing, character emotions, adding imagery, shades of meaning, and here I did add nouns, verbs, and I thought I added, yes, so adverbs, and even some pronoun work. So again, the goal this week is to absolutely start with the diagnostic test. Once you're done with the diagnostic test, look for anything that has a star next to a lesson. Those are the concepts I really want you to focus on while you're in IXL. Okay. I have some another training video coming up just for our website, but I'll record a second video for that. Okay, see you a little later. Aloha and au revoir.